whip it, I'ma swerve the lane. I feel I'ma stop me popping willies, I'ma feel okay. You know I'm stopping traffic daily, yeah, I'm on my way. Got these peoples all around me, they gon' call my name. Willie Squad.
What's poppin'? This your boy Willie Squad. We back again with another video.
Nah.
Pop YouTube, it's your boy Willie Squad. We back again with another video. You already know what time it is. Got a 250 out. It's my brat bike, you know. Got it from Brat. Not playing, but as you know, I fell. I crashed to a fence, and I sprained my ankle, my right one. But I got my boy Shaq Groovy over here. He wanted to hear it, so yeah, turn that on. I'm gonna do what I can just to start it. But yeah, what's good, YouTube? Gas. Oh, good.
Oh.
Gas is on.
He loves his bike.
I've been learning so much about these bikes, man.
That was funny, yo. You should have watched it.
Yo, give me the crutches, bro.
Damn, I niggas ain't send me.
Come to the other side, bro.
Oh, I gotta tell you what I did.
Trying to start the bike with doing crutches on, bro.
I'm gonna tell you off camera because I don't want you guys to like it.
He's not recording.
Oh, wait, hold up. You want me to start it? Oh, yeah.
Don't you I had the clutch on?
No. You need some help?
Want me to cook it?
I got heavy ass legs.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold the bike. You kick it.
Yo, you kick it. Give me.
I think you got it.
That's it.
Do it halfway and go up. Loud as hell.
You look like it's smoking.
You heard it?
Yeah, that's hella loud.
I got adrenaline.
I love 4-stroke.
4-stroke sounds sexy.
Oh, it's way better than 2-stroke. 2-stroke sounds like little kids, Chinese bikes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He just said Chinese bikes.
Yo.
Good.
Yeah, the ground was up.
Like,
My baby right here. Took the stickers off.
Heavy?
bro, heavier than this.
Nigga, I flipped over the ground.
Like, the ground you gotta...
Oh yeah.
It's already on this.
You already crashed the ground.
Yo, you about to turn to an old man, bro. Right around the corner, man.
Look at this, y'all. I'm beat.
Alright.
It's my right foot.
You gotta keep backing up.
You gotta keep backing up, bro.
I'm the driver.
Oh, shoot. Careful.
It smell like 4-stroke. The triangle kickstand over there?
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Cedric looked like the type that ride too.
Oh! You need help?
Nah, I'm just trying to get it. I don't wanna. This ain't my bike. I ain't about to drive it. Yo, move this big ass chair.
You can pick it up.
Yeah.
Grab it by the thing.
I know it's hot as hell.
Oh yeah, forgot.
He just did all that.
That's not hot. I just touched it.
Oh, you good? Go like this. Go like this with it.
It's tapped.
Real quick.
It's not hot.
It's not hot? Alright, all you gotta do, grab it by the muffler and lift it.
Y'all niggas put your hands in
Bro, no. Touch it.
Nah, I'm bad.
Look, feel my hand. It ain't hot. It's not hot. No, this. Boy.
Hey, if I grab it, like, what would I grab it on?
Right here.
I could turn it.
Let's put your hand here. It's not hot.
But I want to grab it right here. Grab it like right here.
That's harder, but
That's
you
hard,
good.
boy. You got it.
Damn, you reaching. You got
No,
it.
this not.
It's not
Hold
hard.
it then. I'm about to put this shit up.
Cause after that, shit,
Yo, we've been here for like 2 minutes.
yes. They do get hot.
Oh, you put it all in the back? Yo, y'all gotta stop leaving the garage door open.
Yeah, one day I have to get right.
God forbid.
You live over here. My cousin lives.
This is a white neighborhood.
Yeah, you good.
But the white niggas keep saying niggas still.
You right about that.
White.
Kenny, the white boy. When I be hitting the late bro.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I went to slap by some of the fun, but I was like, I need to stop trying to fight you.
You're all listening.
It's not a lot.
This suck. It suck that I'm like this right now, bro. My foot beat. Huh?
It gotta be like that.
Yeah, right through there. Yeah.
That's good, buddy?
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
Dang, not even a
That beautiful bike, bro.
kickstand won't even keep that up.
That bike was just something else.
Nah, it didn't come with a kickstand?
Nah.
That bike is fire.
Somebody left the dirt bike like this behind my uncle's house and never touched it.
For real?
I was like, where would I take it? I gotta walk it home.
Yeah, that's my next. That's my next. That's my next thing.
Wheels right here. That was in fun, no cap.
My uncle got big old 4 wheels. You don't even touch this. It's sitting in the garage for like a year.
Remember the yellow and black one?
Yeah.
That was fire.
Oh yeah, that was. Oh yeah, that junk. Yeah, it was alright. A year ago today, I posted on my story that one.
The blue one.
The one we rode last year.
Oh, yeah.
That honcho fell a year ago today.
The only person that's not gonna look old is him.
That doesn't.
Y'all like you looking real old. Y'all like 30.
I'm already looking old.
You gonna be a dad. We about to be looking like a dad, and he just gonna look nothing older.
But he told me I look 18 today.
And get tattoos?
Huh?
Yo,
I said, if you get
I was gonna get tattoos, but I got to get black over a couple last
Yeah, what happened to you?
I'm outside like a mother.
Well, you black as.
I went to the house and I was just like, yo, I'm getting black as hell. And I'm like, I ain't going outside. I went right back out every morning. Cause I would be training in the morning, hooping and stuff.
You playing football?
We in the car right now. About to go to, you know, bros. About to go out to eat at Outback.
What's that? What is that?
It's a steak.
Oh, the gas station right now. Stop by.
I just never ate it.
This van lifted, just raised up. We need this dab.
I'ma keep it whippin', I'ma swerve the lane. Flow almost got me poppin' willies, I'ma feel okay. You know I'm stopping traffic daily, yeah, I'm on my way. Got these peoples all around me, they gon' call my name. I'ma keep it whippin', I'ma swerve the lane. Flow almost got me poppin' willies, I'ma feel okay. You know I'm stopping traffic daily, yeah, I'm on my way.